YouTube SEO in 2026 works completely differently than it did a couple of years ago. And if you're still following the old way, you're basically setting yourself up for failure. I've been doing this for over 4 years now, ranking over 1,000 videos and pulling in more than 200 million views using one specific strategy. The name of this entire strategy is KVS, and it's the framework that ties all of these steps together. And in this video, I'm going to break down each step so you can start ranking #1 for any keyword you want. The K in KVS stands for keyword. Here's what a lot of people get wrong. They think they need to make the video first and then decide on a title and figure out how to rank for it. But it's actually the opposite. You want to first find the keyword you want to rank for and only then make the video. This way, you're not guessing whether your video will rank #1. You already know there's demand before you even start recording. So let me show you exactly how to find and analyze 10 out of 10 keywords that you can actually rank for. Here are the 3 things that a 10 out of 10 keyword needs. #1, low competition, so you can easily outperform everyone else ranking for it. #2, good search volume, meaning people are actually interested in searching for it. #3, no matching keyword. You'll be the only one using that exact keyword. This is the key to ranking quickly, even with a small YouTube channel. So here's exactly how I find keywords like that. The tool I'm using is called vidIQ, and it is by far the best SEO tool for YouTube. When you first sign up, you want to head over to keywords and type in any broad keyword in your niche. For me, that's going to be design. You want to go broad here and focus on the industry you want to reach. After that, click on matching terms. This only shows keywords that contain your original search. Type in design, click matching terms, and you'll see matching keywords. This is powerful because it lets you move quickly from a broad industry term to a full list of more specific keywords. And that's exactly where the opportunity is. These longer, more specific keywords usually have lower competition, which makes it much easier to rank at the top and grow your channel. From here, I'm going to select something I'm interested in, which for me is motion design. I'm going to repeat the process to go even deeper. So for this one, I'll click matching terms again and select motion design for DaVinci Resolve. Then I'm going to repeat this once more to get my final keyword, which is how to do basic motion design in DaVinci Resolve. Once I have that ready, I'm going to head over to YouTube. I'm going to paste my keyword into the search field. After the search, I check competition, volume, and keyword match. When looking at competition, you want to check for big channels ranking for your keyword. In this example, some channels have large followings, but that doesn't mean this keyword is out of reach. I'll show you exactly why this matters in just a second. The next thing we want to look at is volume. Make sure the vidIQ extension is installed in Chrome. It shows a video's views per hour. Some of these videos are getting over 10 views per hour, which is pretty solid for a small channel. This tells you people are actively searching for this topic right now. And the last thing is the key that makes it possible to rank for this keyword, even with bigger channels showing up. That's the matching keyword factor. We want to see if the videos currently ranking are actually using this exact keyword in their titles. You can check this by pressing Ctrl F and searching for your keyword to see if anything comes up. For me, nothing does. None of these videos are actually using this keyword in their title. And here's why that matters. YouTube always ranks the most relevant result. When your title matches exactly what someone searches for, your video becomes the most relevant result. When no other title includes that keyword, your video becomes the top match for that search. Because you're the most relevant, people are going to click, and YouTube wants to keep viewers on the platform as long as possible. So they prioritize giving searchers exactly what they're looking for. Let me show you exactly how this works by walking through a real example. If you look at this video ranking here, the title is How to Edit Stunning Motion Graphics in DaVinci Resolve. Now watch what happens when I search for that exact title. There it is, #1. That's exactly how YouTube decides to rank videos, and that's exactly why the matching keyword factor is so powerful. Now we know we can rank for this keyword. There's search volume and no big competitors, so we move to the V in KVS, video, because if your video isn't good, it doesn't matter how perfect your keyword is, YouTube wants to rank content that viewers actually enjoy watching. So your job is to create exactly what the viewer is looking for when they type in that search. Here's how I make sure my videos outperform the competition. First, I revisit the top ranking videos and watch all of them from start to finish. I'm paying attention to what they cover, how they explain things, what visuals they use, and most importantly, what they're missing. Then I do something that almost nobody thinks to do. I take the time to read through the comments and see what people are actually saying. The comments section is basically free market research. People are literally telling you what they liked, what they wish the video had included, and what confused them. Someone already made a video on this topic, and viewers already gave their feedback. All you have to do is take that feedback and apply it to your video. This way, you're not just creating a similar video, you're creating a better version of what already exists. And that's exactly what YouTube wants to rank. Now let's move on to the final letter in the KVS strategy. The S in KVS stands for SEO, and this is where we tie everything together. First, the title needs to clearly include the main keyword people are searching for. So if I want to rank for how to do basic motion design in DaVinci Resolve, my title is going to look like this: how to do basic motion design in DaVinci Resolve. Notice how the entire keyword is right there in the title. Beginner tutorial at the end makes the title clearer. Adding the year step by step or beginner friendly helps people know what to expect. This builds trust before they even click. With the title finished, let's move on to the description. The first thing I always do is take the keyword from my title and paste it right at the top of my description. This reinforces to YouTube exactly what your video is about. Alright, the title is done. Now let's move on to the description. To find these, I go back to vidIQ and click on related keywords. This gives me a list of related terms people are searching for that connect to my main keyword. I pick the ones that are most relevant and naturally work them into my description. We do this for two reasons. First, it tells YouTube more about our video, so it knows when to recommend it, and second, it gives us a chance to rank for these other keywords too. So for this example, my description looks like this. In this video, you'll learn how to do basic motion design in DaVinci Resolve step by step. This DaVinci Resolve tutorial shows how to use Fusion and DaVinci Resolve Fusion to create simple motion design elements, explained clearly and made simple for beginners. Perfect if you're new to motion design and want DaVinci Resolve made simple. See how I've included multiple related keywords, but it still reads like a normal sentence. That's exactly what you want. Now when it comes to creating your thumbnail, the most important thing is that it has to be better than the competition you're ranking against. So if we go back and look at the videos we're competing with, you'll notice most of them are using pretty dark thumbnails. Very few of them actually include a face. This makes creating a standout thumbnail easy. A high contrast thumbnail with a face grabs more attention. The way I create thumbnails, and what I recommend you do too, is by using a tool called Pixels. Here's how it works. If you head over to the Recreate feature, you can paste in a link to a YouTube video or a thumbnail that you like. Pixels will use that as a reference, so you're not starting from scratch. You're building off something that's already proven to work. Then you can add yourself into the thumbnail by selecting your persona. If you don't have one yet, just click Create and upload a few images of yourself. Pixels then generates a thumbnail that follows the same style and includes you. And just like that, I have a professional thumbnail ready to go for my video. I'll leave a link to a full Pixels tutorial in the description if you want a deeper breakdown of how to use it. Now the last thing we need to cover is tags. Honestly, tags don't matter nearly as much as they used to, but I still fill them in because it takes 10 seconds. Here's what I do. I take the keyword I want to rank for, copy it, and head over to a website called rapidtags.io. I paste in the keyword, click search, and it gives me a list of relevant tags. I just copy those and paste them directly into my video. And that's the entire KVS strategy. You now know how to rank #1 on any video you want in 2026. Think about it. You can step into any niche, find a keyword, create a better video than what's already ranking, and set up your SEO so YouTube naturally puts you at the top. And with vidIQ, you can do all of this in minutes, making the entire process effortless. Click the link in the description to sign up for vidIQ and start ranking your next video. I'll see you in the next one.